The United States has one of the worst records among industrialized nations, losing on average between 4 and 7 children every day to child abuse and neglect.
At least 1 in 7 children were estimated to have been abused in the United States in 2018 alone.
16% of children who suffer from abuse experience more than one kind of maltreatment.
76% of child abuse perpetrators were a parent to their victim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hands off.
Hands off.
Peace out.
All right, so I nominate Michael Petty, Jenny Rodriguez, and Brittany Jackson to do the hands off challenge next.